Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Bilal Alvi and welcome back to yet another episode of Pastor's Kitchen Quarantine Edition. Today's episode is being shot at night because I wanted to eat something really yummy but I cannot go out because it's past curfew time, and even though I'm exhausted of being locked up inside, it is for our own safety, so that's what I'm going to do and that's what I hope you all are doing as well. So, in order to make myself happy, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be making one of my new favorite comfort foods. It's called chicken stew in soy sauce. It is something super delicious and super easy to make. It was taught to me by one of my dear friends, Beverly, who I feel is the queen of simple yet delicious foods. So, let's go to my kitchen and see how we do this.
These are the ingredients for chicken stew in soy sauce. This is half a kg chicken with bone. These are two medium-sized potatoes cut into cubes. These are two medium-sized carrots cut into cubes. This is one small onion chopped. These are like 5 cloves of garlic sliced. This is half a tablespoon of sugar. This is 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. You can use that to taste. This is cooking oil, and then these are our main flavor ingredients: light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. If you don't have dark soy sauce, you can increase the quantity of light soy sauce and it tastes the same. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the first step. I've taken approximately 4 tablespoons or 5 tablespoons of cooking oil in this pan. It's heated up. I'm going to be adding the chopped onions and saute them a little bit. Then we will add the garlic. So while the onion is getting done, I am adding chopped garlic to one side. This needs to be golden brown before we add in the chicken to it. So now I'm going to saute this. So now the garlic and onions are nice and brown. I am going to be adding the chicken. And I will mix it in and fry it till the meat turns white. So as you can see, the meat has turned white. Now I'm going to be adding the potatoes and the carrots, and I'm going to lightly fry it and mix it all together. So the potatoes and the carrots are cooking with the chicken for a couple of minutes now. Now I'm going to be adding in 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Now I'm going to be mixing it all together so that everything is mixed and combined well together. So now that the light soy sauce has been mixed well into it, I have taken 1.5, almost 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, which I am going to be adding to this. And I will take the remaining, I will add a little bit of water to it and mix the remaining to it. Now I have taken approximately 300 ml of water, which I will be adding to this. Now I am going to mix it all together, stir it briefly for like a minute, and then cover it to cook it. So this has been cooking for almost 30 minutes now. I am going to remove it in front of you and let's see how it turns out. Hello. My god, it smells amazing. It smells incredible. Okay, now we are going to add the salt and the sugar to it for the flavoring, which is here. It's like half a teaspoon salt and half a tablespoon sugar. Thoda sa jam gaya tha, so I'm just gonna be like, okay, it's still stuck. I'll need my other hand to put it in. I will mix it and I will cook it for another 5-7 minutes or maybe 10 minutes, but I'm going to increase the flame a little bit and leave the lid open so that it becomes a little thicker. One very important thing that we need to do when we open it is to check, take a knife and just cut through the potatoes and the carrots to see if it is done, and it is done. They are nice and tender. So yeah. And ladies and gentlemen, this is done. I am going to turn off the flame. And wow, the smell is amazing. It's still simmering because it's really hot, but I'm gonna let it cool down, and then I'm going to serve it with steamed or boiled rice. And it is really, really simple, as you guys just saw. Let's see how it looks once it's cooled down. So ladies and gentlemen, the chicken stew with soy sauce is ready. It is delicious, it is hearty, it is heartwarming, it is everything. It is one of the best comfort foods ever, and I really hope you guys are going to like it.
So this was chicken stew in soy sauce. As you guys saw, this was really simple to make. You just have to take a bunch of easily available ingredients, put them in a pan one after another, and just mix it all together, let it cook, and there it is. It is really heartwarming. It is very, very delicious. I hope you guys are going to try it, because I promise you, you guys are going to love it. So please do let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about it. Now I'm gonna go and dig into that little bowl of deliciousness, and I will see you guys next time. Until then, take care, stay safe, see ya.